Guys, so you're welcome back to the second question of today mathematics class for WAEC and NECO, for WAEC, NECO and JAMB mathematics class on this number based question. So this is question 2. So in the previous class we look at one example on this number based system from WAEC past question. So this one is from JAMB past question. Okay, so the first one is also for JAMB past question. In case you missed the first question I missed, so you can check in the description below. You see the link directs you to the first question on our day's number based system from WAEC. The first one is from WAEC past question, and the class what I gave to you is from JAMB past question. So the same thing here I did here. This one is from JAMB past question, and then we have another classwork also to also do here to be submitted in the next 30 minutes. So we have this one. Sorry, I'll just give a marker and try to wave it out. Okay, so we have the question here. We have two questions to solve here. Here is for y. Okay, let me make the pen. So here is question 1 for the classwork. This is for WAEC past question, while this is for JAMB past question. So if you look at it, they are both was similar. What makes difference here is S here, this one is base 5, this is N here, this one is base 5, is almost the same question, and also the same question of what about to share with you. So guys, this classwork takes 30 minutes to submit. The latest time to submit this classwork is 30 minutes. So guys, if you're just new to my channel, you're watching my video for the first time, I do share knowledge on mathematics in my YouTube channel, my Telegram, my Instagram, also in my Facebook page, or my Twitter page. I'm TikTok also. TikTok is very important, so you can join us there. So don't forget to follow us, subscribe, share this video with your friends or family. In case this question is very, very important. Many students are looking for this opportunity. Okay, you have the opportunity to find this video at this moment. Please do well to share with your friends and family, across the social media belongs to. God bless you as we help others. I wish you more knowledge, understanding, and also I wish also this upcoming examination. So let us make sure watch our time. Don't let us waste more short of time. So let's dive to the main question to solve in this particular class for this question 2 of today's class. So we have this question now. So just imagine you are given this question. Maybe you are not that really understand this topic. Okay, so just imagine you are given this question. So how will you solve it? How will you solve the question? So just imagine you are given this question. So how will you solve it? So guys, let's dive to it. It's quite very simple, but I'm going to take you the step by step on how you can solve this question. Are you guys there? I think by now you should have your pen with you, your book, okay, and go ahead and write the lesson notes. It's very important to submit your lesson notes. Okay, it's very, very important. So I'll cross check it. Maybe you are really following my class. Okay, this is free premier class, but I decided to make it free for the benefit of students that are preparing for this upcoming WAEC and JAMB examination. So if you'd like to join our VIP class, it costs no less than 2,000 naira monthly. So it is holding for 3 times in a week. Okay, very cheap class. Okay, very cheap class, and we train to make it one-on-one that you can understand the basic knowledge of mathematics. So let's back to the business. So we have those if 223s plus base s rather plus 101 base s equal to 130 base s. Find the value for s. So we're told to find the value of s. So what if we are given a question like this in your WAEC, in your JAMB? So how do you handle this question very fast? Okay, the first thing here, this topic is under number based system normal, but it's still under some topic on number based system called number based system equations, because this one leads to equation. This question is quite very simple. So let's dive to the solution of it. So let's write the solution. Okay, so in this place, the first thing you have to do here, since we are told to find s, and s is the base we have, what you just have to do here, whenever I give a question like this, whenever I send a question like this, what you just have to, the first thing to come to your mind is to convert it to what? To base 10. You know, in the previous class, when I explained the first question, okay, I convert to base 10, I told you that in number based system, we have three-way conversion, okay, which I gave the list in the previous video. So that is what I said that in case you missed the previous video, I would like you to go to the comment section on the question below, comment that you need the previous video, or you go to our description of this video. You'll see the link that directs you to our Telegram or WhatsApp group where you can get access to the previous video. I will also drop the link of the first video in the description below, so check it out and know the three-way conversion we have in my base system. Okay, let me quickly list it. The first one is converting from order base to base 10. The second one is to convert it from base 10 to other base, while the last one is converting from other bases to another bases. These are the three conversion we have in my base system. I get it now? Okay, if you get it now, so let's dive to it. Now, I said that whenever you give a question, we don't know the base is unknown. Okay, when you are given a question like this, what you just have to do here, you have to convert what all the given question to base 10. So you have to convert this base 10, base S to base 10. Now, how do you convert it? So let me take the first term here. This is the first one. That's 2 3 base S. Let me first solve that one, and then I'll solve this, and then I'll solve this. After then, and now equate it to this equation we have here. Then we get our answer. Very simple. So let's dive to it. So the first one here, we have 2 or 3 in base S. Okay, so let's convert it to base 10. I told you in the previous class, I said that when I'm converting either base to base 10, you will use this very easy method we call the expansion method. How does this expansion method works? So if you attended the first class, you should know that this is quite very simple. We're converting this question like this to base 10. So if you are the first time you join the class, yeah, you can still learn it also. So the first thing you have to do here, you know the base here, you have the first digit here is 2, 3, you have the base is 3. The base is S rather. So you take this 2, multiply by the base, that is S. So that will be equal to 2 multiplied by S, okay, plus the second digit, that is 3, multiplied by the base, that is S. Now we have expanded now. The next step is to indicate the index. And when you indicate the index, you start from the right hand side here. Okay, on top the base, and start from the 0. When you indicate, you start from 0 and to be on top of the base. Now this is the base. Okay, so this one to be indicated as 0, that S is power 0. The next one to be what? 1. Assuming we have under base here to be 2, like that, so the last digit. So let's quickly solve this, the waste amount of time. So in this base, when S is power 1, S is power 1 is that what as S. So this one made that is 2 times what? Times S plus, okay, this one you have 3 multiplied by t with power of 0. S with power of 0 is equal to what? 1. I said it in the previous class. Anything at all, any number with power of 0 is always equal to 1. That is law of indices for that. Okay, this is, we're not in this class. I will prove it to you why it is equal to 1. Yes. So let's dive to it. So t with S is power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have 1. Now, so let's solve it in a quick way now. So you have 2 times S, that gives us what? As 2 or 2S, plus we have 3 times 1, that gives us 3. So it means that when you have a 2 3 base S to base 10 is equal to 2S plus 3. That's the solution for the first part. Now let's go to the second part, which is this. So let me try to underline it. So we have what? 1, that is 0 1 base S. So let's quickly convert this one to base 10. Also the same method I did in this part. Now, to convert it now, you take the first digit, that is S, S multiplied by the base, that is S, plus the second digit, that is 0, multiplied by the base, that is what? S, plus the next digit, that is 1, multiplied by the base, that is what? S. Now, we have expanded now. The next thing now is to indicate the index. I'll say that you will indicate the index, you will indicate on top the base, and the start from 0. Now, for the right hand side, you have 0. Okay, next index, next base, you have 1. Next one we have 2. As soon as I that one to about 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 to the last digits we have there. Now let's solve the simple mathematics. Now it means one means what? S raised power of 2. That is S is raised power of what? Of 2. Okay, S to the power 2 times 1. That is equal to what? S square. Plus here we have 0. Okay, S raised power of 1. That is equal to what? S. S times 0. That gives what? 0. And here plus the same thing here, S raised power of 0 is equal to 1. I said it earlier here, they said that n raised power of 0 is always equal to 1. So therefore, S raised power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 times 1, that gives us what? 1. So therefore, they have this is equal to 1. So therefore, 101 base s is equal to, that's equal to s whole square plus 1. This is a way omit. So this one is in base 10. Let me write it as base 10. So then so as well as base 10. So that means that 101 in base s is equal to s squared plus 1 in base 10. So it's very simple. That's as simple as that. Now let's go to the last one. That is 130 in base s. Now to do this one also in the same method as what we used in this place in the previous question we solved. So the first thing here, we take the first digit, that's 1 multiplied by the base, that's s, plus the second digit is 3 multiplied by the base, that's s, plus the last digit is 0 multiplied by the base, that's s. Now we shall indicate the index. Okay, we're indicating index start from the 0 on top of the base, that's 0, that's 1, that is 2. As then I've for the 3 like that to the infinity. Now to be equal to, now let's s is power of 2, that is equal to what? That is s squared. Okay, so s squared times 1, that gives us what? As s squared plus s is power of 1, that is what? S times 3, that gives us 3 what? 3s. Okay, let me write this one very well. Plus s is power of 0, that is 1. 1 times 0, that gives us 0. Okay, now, so that simply means that we have what 130 base s is equal to, that is what s what square plus 3s in base 10. Okay, so this 0 is excluded. Now we have the answer to this. 130 base s is equal to s squared plus 3s, and 101 base s is equal to s squared plus 1 in base 10, and we have a 23 base s is equal to 2s plus 3 in base 10. Now let's dive to it now. So since I've covered every term, every given question to base 10, now let's input it now to the given equation. Let's just substitute it. So when you substitute it, what will be the answer? So let me try to create space. Can you see it? Okay, let me create a space up right there. Okay. So the first thing here we have a 2s, I mean 23 base s rather, and 23 base s in base 10 is equal to this. So let me put, instead of me to write 23s, okay, to avoid confusion, let me try to write it out. We have a therefore, we have a therefore 2 or 3 base s plus we have 101 base s plus we have equal to, this one is equal to, try to clean it off. Let me try to clean it off. So, okay, in case if you want to read it. So that equal to, okay, equal to 130 base what s. Now, our 23 base s is equal to what? That's equal to 2s plus 3. So in base 10. So that is equal to this one giving us 2s plus 3 in base 10 plus we have this plus here, so let me try to put this on in brackets in case if there is negative sign here. So the sign will affect the data we have in this place because the sign here is plus. Okay, now so this plus is the plus I write here, and 101 base s is equal to 1. Is equal to what? S squared plus 1 close brackets. They have to be equal to, that is 130 base s is equal to s squared plus 3 what s. Now we can solve this very easy now. I get it now? Yeah, if I keep following, just go to the comment section and say you are following the class. Okay, yeah, good, let's go. So in this place now, the reason why I put this one in bracket that I explained earlier, because the sign here, we affect the sign inside the bracket here, we affect what we get in this part here. Assume the sign here is negative. So when you open the bracket, the negative will affect what we have here, it affects the sign here. This one will turn to plus, this one will turn to minus if you have negative sign here. That is why we have to be very careful when you're solving a given equation like this. So this is positive. Now positive does not affect any sign inside the bracket. The sign inside the bracket is to remain constant. So let's dive to it now. So here we have 2 what? S plus 3. So when I open the bracket, we have plus here. The sign is plus and plus that give us plus. You have a plus 3 what? S squared. Plus times plus is still the same as plus because plus does not affect any sign inside the bracket. So we have s1 equal to, we have s squared plus or 3 what? S. Now the next thing here I have to do here is to collect the like time. So when you collect the like time, you know here we have a 2s, we have 2s here, we have s square here, we have s square here, right? I have 2s here, we have 3s here, we have 3 here, we have 1 here. So this one are the same, this one are still for the same parts. Okay, yeah. So if you collect like time, this one stay the same part, they are still the same level. So it does not cause the equal to. I get now. So let's just put it to the let's collect like time. So let me say we are collect like time. So in this space now, let's take s to s square to s square. So let me for the first write as s square. The first part here, the first s square here, that's what I write. So I want to bring the s square here from this part for the other part. So and we have equal to that make it separate. So this sign here is plus. When you're taking this sign, this plus sign to the across the bridge, across this equal to, the sign will change to negative. So this one is equal to this one s square rather is equal to negative what error square. Now we have this one has come to this part now, so that is why we have negative what s square plus. So let's go to s, the one that has s now. So the first one here we have 2 what s. So if you take this one to this way, we have 3s here. Okay, when you take this 3s here is plus 3s. When it equals this equal to, it will change to negative. This one to the minus 3 what 3s. You get now? So in this place now we have this part we have 3. What is left here? We have left is for 3. We have a plus for 3 plus this one is still the same place plus 1 equal to. So we don't have anything here again. We have take this one to the other side. So we don't have anything here again. So it means that it is empty, which is equal to what 0. Now let's solve it now. S square minus s square, it gives us as result. It cancel as 0 plus we have a plus 2s minus 3s. Imagine that we have plus 2s minus 3s, that will give us what minus. Okay, we are subtracting the bigger one for the smaller one, that will change to a minus. That is minus what? Minus s. Okay, close bracket. The reason why our plus I have here, and this one is given as negative, so that is what I have to put in bracket. Okay, sorry for that. Now we have our plus 3 plus 4. I mean 3 plus 1, that gives us 4. I already said the answer. Yeah, 3 plus 1, that gives 4. We have 4, okay, equal to 0. Now, let me create more in our space. Now, let's quickly solve it now. So if we open this bracket, plus times minus, that will give us what as minus. Now it's minus s equal to, here we have a plus, we have plus 4, that's not equal to yet. So let me adjust the mistakes. It's not equal to, it should be plus. Sorry, let me clean it again. So it doesn't. So here plus times minus here, that is equal to what? Minus s. Here plus or plus 4 equal to 0. So to get the value of s now, let's take this 4 to the other side. Okay, when you take this 4 to the other side, you have to this sign will change when it is causing this word equal to here. Here is the sign is plus, when you go to the other side change to minus. So therefore we have our s minus s equal to minus 4. Now to get the value of, let me go into the space here. To get the value of s now, you know this s is minus s is not s. To get the value of s now, you have what to count, because s minus is common to both sides here. So s minus can cancel this word, this minus here. So since a minus is common to this part and this part, so they can cancel each other. So therefore now the answer to s is equal to 4. So the s is equal to 4 means that the value of s is equal to 4. So guys, do you understand it now? So let's go to the question. Let's see, we have the option. Let's see the option. So consider the option. The option is option D. Okay, we have that's option D is the correct option to this question. So guys, that is how you solve this problem, and that is how you solve it. It's quite very simple. Are you get it now, guys? So if you understand this, I'd like you to go to the comment section and comment yes, you get it right. Now, since you have understood it, you have understood everything I've taught this morning, the way I break it down. Now go ahead and solve this question. That is question number. That's the classwork I gave you. So this, I said it earlier, this question is from, this question 1 is from WAEC past question, and this one is for JAMB past question. So you go and try it. I gave you 30 minutes to submit this classwork to my DM. So you can submit it through this number here. If you haven't joined our Telegram, our WhatsApp group yet, you can submit it through this number here. You have 090, you have 6122, we have 16, we have 56. So you can submit it with this number. enter my GM and submit it. So I will add you to the group if you haven't joined the group right now. So guys, thank you guys for enjoying the class of today. So I shall be waiting for your response on your correction. I shall be waiting for the response of what you have solved for the classwork. So please, I need you to take it very serious. I need a question, I need the classwork in the next 30 minutes. So you guys, let me see the mistake you made and let me correct the mistake. Thank you. We shall see in the class. The next class, we're going to look at one more example on that date, and then we call it a day on this decimal-based system. And we move to the next topic. I was unable to cover all the scheme of work. Yes, I want you to succeed. I want you to succeed in this coming examination, and I wish you success and succeed and have 90 plus in your mathematics. Yeah, thank you. Let's dive to the next class.